Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ELTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out going forward. This chart is looking pretty shaky. I'm not going to say that it's totally destroyed, but it's definitely approaching what I would consider some must-hold areas, and that main must-hold area going into Friday right here at $1.80. Why is $1.80? You know, in my mind, at least kind of a do or die or must hold level. Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to try to kind of explain the dramatic terms I'm using, if the price were to go down to $1.80 and then break down through it and continue on down, at that point, in a very literal sense, that would be putting the price literally right back to where it was before the big breakout from today happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. Whereas, to be fair, if the price were to come down here, however, in this situation, behave like that and start to work its way back upwards, then like I said, to be fair, from the big picture point of view, that would give you a set of lows right there. There would be the previous set down there before things came to life. And if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, in that situation, you now have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. So in many senses, $1.80 is kind of acting as the dictionary here, meaning is the price quote unquote going back to where it was? That is associated with bearishness, or is the price quote unquote making progress? That is associated with bullishness. So keep a close eye on $1.80. A lot of people are going to be watching that tomorrow. And when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics, and $1.80 is definitely going to be that level that a lot of people are watching, so it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.